The pre-preparation is inventory.
Absolutely.
Know what you got. How do you encourage people to pull that off?
And nobody thinks about that, right? And so one of the things they don't realize how bad a loss could be. And so they might know in their mind, if you said, go get me this item, they know which drawer it's in and they can go and get it. When it's badly burned or totally destroyed, their memory, and now they're dealing with the emotional stress of a major loss, and they don't know what they had. Oftentimes, we'll discover that a homeowner is misinformed. They'll say, no, I had it. It was right there. We'll find it someplace else. Because in their mind, that's where it was. But in reality, it wasn't. And so they don't realize the importance of an inventory, unfortunately, until it's too late. And the task of creating a whole house inventory is so daunting. Nobody ever wants to go down that road. But we tell them, we all have a wonderful inventory tool probably in our pockets right now.
It's never been easier.
Absolutely. And if they could just do some videotaping, make the file sizes small enough, and go through, make sure you have drawers open, closets open, and you get a full 360 panoramic, go in circles around the room. It doesn't have to be professionally edited for television. This is just about trying for documentation purposes. And like they said, a picture is worth 1,000 words. You have that, have it saved up in the cloud, so it's not in the house.
Multiple places,
right?
Yeah.
And then
don't put it on a disc in your master bedroom drawer, kitchen
exactly.
drawer, bathroom door.
Doesn't work. But yeah, and so having that ahead of time is a huge tool. And you know, the insurance companies, they need documentation. They're going to pay the claim, but they need to have supporting documentation. And sometimes your word is not good enough, right? You got to have some evidence there. And it gets really, really tough when you have that impasse and there's no documentation.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.